Captain Sonny here from Divers Direct. I'm going to show you real quick how to string a AB Biller spear gun, okay? AB Billers, when they come from the factory, are not strung. They're tied right here. First thing you're going to have to do is untie all this line right here and get it out of the trigger guard. And this is what you'll end up with right here, okay? And what you're going to do, this is a double wrap, okay? What you're going to do is you want to stretch about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Get hold of that. Run it through your release right there. You see the hook up here. You go through that, go around the release again, and then you come up to the slide. All right? Tie it, push it through. Hold up good and tight like that. Take your finger, hold on to it. Push it through. And what you're doing is half hitches. Cut off your excess. Cigarette lighter. And you just hold the flame right up next to it. You'll see it melt. And you're done. Tonight I'm going to show you how to string a spear gun in a single wrap, lash down. You're going to need a kit. Either buy a bunch of monofilament line and a bunch of crimps. You're going to need a crimping tool, a cut-off tool, okay? And what you're going to do is going to make one little loop. You're going to put that on this right here, okay? And then you're going to string it down and around your release. Come up through the groove, like so, around the lash down. Come down, you cut it off where you need to, and then you take your crimp, slide it on there, run it through where it's supposed to go. All right, now what you want to do is make sure you have some tension on it. So you're going to stretch about 2 inches, okay? And then you tighten all that up, like so. There you go. And then slide your crimp over the second one. And use your crimping tool and crimp the crimp. There we go. We have all of this here at Divers Direct, including the spear gun. So come by anytime you want to. We'll be glad to help you out with all that you need to restring your gun. Thank you. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a breakaway system for your rifle gun, okay? When you get the gun from the factory, the bungee is actually tied in, just looped through, tied in right there to your gun. If you'll unclip it here, you can pull the bungee back out, and then you just take the loop, okay, and slip it over that hook right there. Then you can take your floating line, the tuna hook, the tuna clip, and just clip it right there to the bungee. That way, when you fire the gun underwater, boom, the spear comes out, the bungee is tied to, okay, the floating line. Everything works great like this. It's very quick and easy to reload too. We also have all this stuff, the floating line, clips, everything here at Divers Direct. Thank you.